get it done. No blood on the leaves. No blood on the leaves. Oh yeah guys, what's up? How you guys doing? I hope everybody is doing well. If you are not doing well, I hope that you can find a way to do better. So I might have forgotten to address it, but June is actually National Road Safety Month. Yeah, June is actually Road Safety Month. So what that means is, what they should be doing, what the government should be doing, or what people should be doing, is campaigning and you know, having events and workshops around road safety. You know, how to use the road properly, how to conduct yourself on the road and so forth. For me now, because I'm a biker, I will focus on road safety for bikers and pedestrians, and somewhat drivers as well. But road safety starts with you. Nobody else but you. Whoa! Yeah, so road safety starts with you and nobody else but you. Bikers, first thing, wear an helmet. Please wear a helmet as best as you can, that is. You see me? As best as you can. The rim still spinning. Oh, it's a big but I still feel pain. Yeah, so bikers, please wear protective gear. Helmet is number one. Whatever else you can afford, you buy it. If you can buy a glove, buy it. If you can buy a jacket, buy it. You know, it's not worth spending 200,000, for argument's sake, spending 200,000 on a bike, and you can't spend at least 50,000 for your body. When the bike mash up, if you meet in an accident and the bike mash up, your body are gonna mash up too. So you buy the gear to limit the effects that the accident would have on you, or if you drop or whatever. You buy the gear to limit that. Not because nothing is happening to you means that it won't happen. You see me? In bike culture, there's a saying, and it goes like, it's not if you're going to drop, or it's not if you're going to fall, it's when you're going to fall. The best of bikers fall. The simplest of road surfaces fling we agro, in layman's term. Why this JUTC out so what going on here, so you prepare for the ride and not the fall. What going on with that bus here, man? When money is stopping on the road. Freaking hell, man. Anyways, we don't prepare for the ride, we prepare for the fall. So protect yourself as best as possible. You see me? When you're riding with a passenger or a pillion, the pillion life is in your hand. Now for the foolishness then when I say I go on, that's not supposed to go on. You're not supposed to have a pillion for your back of your bike and you're dilly and a dally in the opposite lane in oncoming traffic. That not make no sense. That is dumb, that is foolish. Do not do that. Once you have a pillion on your bike, that pillion life is in your hands. You see me? The same way how you that apparently enough how you don't like on a life still, that's why. You see me? Apparently enough how you don't like on a life, so I go conduct yourself in a certain way where I go put you in a danger, but as it regards to road safety, pillion life is in your hand. Do whatever you can to protect the pillion. Do not put the pillion in danger. Put yourself in a danger when you alone are ride. Alright? But protect the pillion at all costs. You see me? Ooh, we reached 5 gears already? Oh damn! As it relates to road safety as well, try your best to ride within the speed limit. Somebody asked me a couple months ago, bikers have speed limit? I said then, we know, users of the road. You see me, we use the road too, so the same speed limit that applies to cars applies to us. The reason why they ask that, they say we always move fast. And it's true. Bikers are always moving ahead of traffic, and it's because we can easily squeeze through the traffic like this, you know. But there are speed limits, guys. You see me? Even if you don't know what the speed limit is, in most places the speed limit is 50. Is it 50 miles or 50 kilometers per hour? I don't remember which one of them, but yeah, I think a kilometers per hour, cause yeah, our speed out here is measured in metric kilometers per hour, something like so. So keep your speed at least within 50-60. You see me? That's a good speed. And riding at a decent speed opens up your reaction time. So if you see a car move, you get to slow down. You see me? When you're moving fast now, your reaction time will slow down. Or it not really slow down, but it will lessen. So you might take 2 seconds to react when you're moving slow. When you're riding fast, it might take you 5 seconds. So you want to go ahead and think there. Just ease up on the speeding thing. You see me? Most of the bike accident where happen nowadays are speed, the man them a speed. You see me? They might try beat the car, they might try do this, they might try do that, and it end up in the bad, you know? Bad way. Yeah. Remember, we're all users of the road. We're all users of the road, so remember, share the road. This is not the first time I'm saying this. Share the road. You see cars ahead slowing down, slow down. A way to predict if cars ahead are slowing down, keep your eyes at least 3 car distances or 3 car lengths ahead. Don't just look on the car in front of you, because by that time it will be too late for you to react. Look ahead. If you see cars ahead have on them brake light, most likely the car that is closer to you will brake. You see me? So always try to keep your eyes ahead. In the event that you can't see ahead, keep a distance behind the car. You see me? At least a car length behind the car that's in front of you. Woo. Use the horn as well. Enough drivers are going to say, yo, oh, me never see the biker. Make sure so them hear you. If they don't see you, make sure so them hear you. Loud mufflers save lives, but too loud mufflers are annoying. Yeah, honestly. Woo, thank you. Try to say thanks to drivers when them give away. You know, toot your hand, give them a wave, give them a thumbs up, something. You know, it's a good thing. As a lot of these sound my hand, you know. Yeah. As I was saying, try to say thanks to drivers who give you away. You know, it's a good look. It's a very good look, and most drivers on the road kind of don't like us because of how we treat them and how we treat the road. You know, we make it look like the road are ours. So yeah, just show respect, you know. Give respect. So don't wait until you get respect, give it. And if I get it back, that's awesome. You see me? Yeah guys. Oh, ring 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 ring. Alright, oh guys, we just hit 20,000 subscribers this week. Hello, ain't that the car just now? Alright, so today is the 16th of June. I think we hit the 20k on Monday or Tuesday, one of them day there. Yeah, so guys, I'm now gonna run off him too. Guys, thank you so much for 20,000 subscribers. I really never did. When we start my YouTube channel, I never did expect to even reach that amount. Honestly, me never ever see myself get that. And if you know me, or if you realize with me, I not watch the numbers. I not set a goal and say, oh, let's reach 25,000, let's reach 15,000 subscribers. I honestly don't care about the numbers. I do this because I love it. You see me? And the fact that you guys are appreciative of what I do, yeah man, you see me? The fact that you guys appreciate what I do, I appreciate you for appreciating me. You see it? Eh? Yes sir? Now hear my backside. Yeah, so guys, thank you so much for 20,000k. Thank you guys so much for 20,000k, yo. Like, shit, you guys are freaking awesome. Yo, enough respect, man. Jaja know. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to make another video. I want to do a giveaway for the 20,000. What I'll do is that giveaway I'll start it like in the next month or something like that. Because what I want to do is I'm going to buy up some items and just give them away. You don't have to pay nothing. You don't have to you know, enter nothing like that. It's a giveaway that's coming from my pocket to tell you guys thanks so much by just watching my videos. You see me? Because that's all you do, just watch the videos. You see me? And that goes a long way, you know. Yeah man, so respect enough. You see me? Big up on yourself guys. Me I go sign out for now. You check back with you later on. For all of the bikers, ride safe. For all of the drivers, drive safe. For all of the walkers, walk safe. Oh shit. Big up on yourself guys. Adios. Paradise biker. Out.